Hey you guys, this is a follow-up video from my last week video. In case you missed it, I blew out my hair last week and a lot of people seems to like it on Instagram. On here it's been getting a lot of love, and one of my subscribers actually suggested I should do a trimming video, and that is exactly what we're gonna do today. This was the next day after my blowout. My hair was in a bun, so that's why I'm combing it through. I began by sectioning my hair in the middle and working on each section. It is very important for me to part my hair in the middle because that is how I detect the shape of my hair. I really like just to focus and take my time when I trim my hair, and that is why I part it into a very small sections and work my way from the front to the back very slowly. After I comb my hair with the wide tooth comb, I go in with the small tooth comb to smooth out everything and to make it ready for the trim. And as you can see, the small tooth comb really help with making sure which part of my hair need to be cut. As you can see, it has a lot of resistance by the end. That means I have a lot of split ends and that part need to go. This is my cute scissors that I bought last month. When it comes to my scissors, I always make sure I buy a new one, and I make sure that they are professional sharp scissors. So one of the main reasons I started cutting my own hair was because I had a very bad haircut 5 years ago when I started my natural hair journey, and it made me very cautious the way I see hairstylist. I went to this hairstylist that I thought was a professional, but she wasn't professional at all. She gave me a hot mess haircut and it totally changed the shape of my hair, and I've been working on it since then. I've been cutting my own hair to make my hair the shape it is today. So that is why it's so much easier for me, because I've been doing it for so long. I kind of know which parts needs to cut and which parts need to be left alone. So once you detect your shape, the shape of your hair, it is very easy to trim your hair. Also, yes, practice make a very big difference. When I cut my hair, I really take my time. I just relax. I'm not stressed. I listen to my music. I make sure that I eat, that I'm not hungry, and just relax, pay attention to my ends, and just be patient with it. Once I finished trimming all part of my hair, I unravel the twist and I just go through it once more. I just look in the front, in the back. If I need a little more trim, I do that. Then I apply some oil on my hair. I don't know why I use this oil. I don't usually use it. I use like tea tree oil or castor oil on my scalp and massage it for good 2 minutes or so, and style my hair as usual. So yeah, this is how I trim my own hair at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you come back again. Bye.